guys, it's LPS Shy Demon here, and yeah, today we are okay. So yeah, guys, today I got the hiccups. I was gonna make one of my new videos called Skulking but I got the hiccups today and I'm not making a video with the hiccups. Yep. So yeah, today I'm not making a video. Yeah. Today, my hiccups go, a little. But for right now, I'm really tired and have hiccups. It's, this caused a little bit of, but it's, for, just got out of school, so no time. Went to go get a pencil, went to the dollar store yeah, I got the hiccups. Hey, what's the matter? I got the hiccups. Oh, great. What, did he sound like again? Said, have the hiccups. You sound like a squeaky little girl. Oh, great, you passed it out to me. How wonderful. But yeah, that's all I have time for today, so thank you. Bye.